Ever felt like everything's going crazy around you? Like no one can hear your thoughts, and you're stuck in this waiting game? But listen closely. God has a message for you right now. He's saying, don't give up. You might be tired. You might feel frustrated. You might be invisible, but God sees you. He knows every single tear, every moment without faith. And when you chose faith, even when your heart was breaking, this isn't the end of your story. It's a new beginning. God is still behind the scenes working, arranging things you can't see, and preparing blessings you may never meet. Also, doors that seemed locked are now opening up. Even if everything feels like falling apart, remember, sometimes everything is falling apart so God can rebuild better for you. He's not punishing you. He's preparing you for something bigger. Every delay, every heartbreak, every unexplained thing, it's all purpose. You're not stuck. You're being shaped. You aren't forgotten. You're growing. Heaven must go through this fire to shine. And right now, you're in this fire that's shaping you. But these flames aren't here to destroy you. They're here to help you grow. God says, I still love you. You might feel like giving up, but heaven has not given up on you. Your faith remains important. Your prayers still work. Your hope still has power. Even if things in your life don't make sense, remember, always have purpose, and your faith matters. The prayer still works, and your hope still sees things through. Your strength is waiting for you to find it. Gold needs to go through fire to shine, and right now, you're in this fire that is helping you transform and shine too. But these flames aren't here to destroy you, but to help you grow. So, don't give up. This is not your end. This is just the beginning of a new journey. When it gets tough, remember that there are more reasons to keep going. Because in heaven, they always notice. And when they do notice, miracles begin to happen. It's only a matter of time before you break through. And know that God has a plan for you, and they're here to help you get you to where you need to be.